Hello and welcome to Guidance 110 Online. I'd like to show you how the course works so that you know how to navigate it. Initially, when you open your Canvas shell, you're going to see this Start Here module under the modules. And you'll just scroll down. This Start Here is just information for you to know and be aware of. The class is actually down here. There's a Learning Module 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5. The last module is an educational plan, which is due at the end of class. But navigating the class is fairly easy. You just open up the module, and as the module opens up, you're able to use the little button on the bottom to navigate from one page to the next. If there are any announcements, they go in here. If the home page is right here, any assignments, the syllabus, so there's a menu button over here, but when you go into modules, then you're able to scroll down through the class. The class is fully on Canvas, and if there's any issues or any problems or any questions, you can email me by using this inbox and sending me your question. So I hope this makes everything clear, but if you have any questions, again, you're welcome to reach out to me and I will be there to help you. Thank you and good luck.